Unit 5 Maps. A map is a graphical representation of an area that shows the spatial relationships between objects or features. Maps can come in various forms, including physical maps, political maps, topographic maps, and thematic maps. They are used for navigation, planning, and gaining a better understanding of geographical information. Grid square are often used to divide maps into smaller, more manageable sections. The grid provides a systematic way to locate specific points on the map. Grid squares can be labeled with letters and numbers to create a coordinate system, allowing users to pinpoint locations precisely. Compass points, also known as cardinal directions, are the four main directions on a compass: north, east, south, and west. These directions are used for orientation and navigation, helping individuals determine which way they are facing and which direction to travel. Physical maps display the natural features of an area, such as mountains, rivers, lakes, and forests. They often use contour lines to represent changes in elevation and relief. Physical maps are valuable for understanding the physical geography of a region. Satellite and aerial imagery provide a bird's-eye view of the Earth's surface. Satellite imagery is captured by satellites orbiting the Earth, while aerial imagery is obtained from aircraft. These types of images are used for various purposes, including urban planning, environmental monitoring, and navigation. A. Complete the sentences. Use words from the key facts box. 1. A plan is a drawing of something seen from above. 2. Maps have drawings or keys on them. The key tells you what these mean. 3. We can find things on a map using grid squares. 4. We use compass directions to help us find things. The four main compass points are north, south, east, and west. 5. Landforms such as mountains and rivers are shown on a physical map.
Thanks for watching and listening. If you like my videos, please like and share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.